Hey, everybody. Ooh, my hair's just going crazy today. For today, and probably for the rest of the year, I think if this works out better so you guys can see the home screen page, we're going to be using, this kind of setup. My first time using it. I hope it works good. I hope you guys can see everything. I'm really excited about it. I feel really tech savvy right now, guys. But anyways, so you guys should be in Homeroom. You just click Homeroom on your e-class page and you'll scroll down and you'll see I'm gonna put this video up below for you guys to watch. And it'll say April 16th next to it. This is from yesterday's video, April 15th. And so our video will go right above it. And so, what I wanted to talk to you guys today about is the fact that I think I'm going to send all of your parents today an email with a Zoom link. So make sure your parents are looking out for that. By this afternoon, I'll definitely send a link out, and I'll be waiting on there for like an hour for you guys. And we're gonna have an hour Zoom session and talk. I want to catch up and see how you guys are. If anyone wants to talk about anything, you can, as long as it is appropriate for school. And then we're going to go straight into review. If you guys just don't understand something, you guys can talk about it on Zoom. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do tomorrow. Let me know if you're interested in the comment section below. And yeah, we'll get it all started.